Hello guys, today I'm going to be rebuilding the worst team in the MLB to become the best team in the MLB. And the worst team in the MLB currently in MLB The Show 25. Oh, I'm also using MLB The Show 25 because I don't have MLB The Show 26, unfortunately. So, right now, the White Sox are 30th in rank. Wait, let me fix the camera a little bit. Okay, that's good. They are 30th in rank, 30th in contact, 29th in pitching, 24th in defense, 28th in speed, and 14th in power. The 14th in power is actually like 23rd in power. They're actually like 23rd in power. But I traded for Lawrence Butler, this pitcher named Orion Kirkering, and Nick Lodolo. And we're at the trade deadline. So I'm going to send through the season. Wait, never mind. I'm gonna sign the draft picks. If I could, yeah, I could. So I've signed everybody that I've drafted. So I'm going to, oh no. Okay. Nick Lodolo. I'm gonna give him a 4-year. I'm gonna give him a 3-year contract for $16.7 million a year. Oh my god. Anybody in the, are you kidding me? Okay. Anybody watching this, do not, I swear, do not start commenting. 6-7. Please don't. I will delete the comment if you do that. Well, not actually. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. Sure. Fine. Okay. So we're gonna send to September call-ups. And let's see. Are we gonna do worse than what the White Sox actually? No. We're gonna do better than what the White Sox actually did. Wait, let me just see. Dominic Fletcher moved to the MLB. So I am going to send to the postseason. And we're gonna see how we do. Well, oh my god. Okay. So the AAA affiliates of the White Sox went 87 and 63. So they had a OPS of I'm not sure what that is. OPS, or I don't know what it is, but they won 580. And they won their division, so they will be taking on the Clippers in the division series. The Barons finished 35 and 34, but they won't make the postseason. So the White Sox finished 51 and 111. So what? Are you kidding me? My Yankees that are ranked 5th in the MLB do not make it into the postseason. Of course. The Orioles have defeated the Dodgers. Oh, speaking of the Orioles, they have just made the stupidest decision that they will probably be haunted by trading their all-star catcher Adley Rutschman to their division rivals, the Red Sox. And by the way, I'm a Yankees fan. I'm pissed. Why would you do that to the Orioles? Why would you do that? Trading your all-star catcher to your division rivals. What are you doing? Like, if you were gonna trade it to your division rivals, at least trade them to the Yankees, bro. We have Ali Sanchez and JC Escarra. No, he hasn't played in like a few months. We have Ali Sanchez, and Austin Wells. Like, are you kidding me? Okay, so we gotta hire a third base coach. Yay. Third base coach is for hire. So let's see. I'm gonna get this guy, Alejandro Sanchez. He looks good. +2 fielding, +2 durability, +3 speed, which we need speed. So I'm also gonna be doing a series of this. So this series is gonna be the second half of this first part of the series. This first video of the series is gonna be what's it called? The second half of the season, and free agency and playoff, like anything that has to do with off season and the second half of the season. So I gotta offer salary arbitrations, oh wait, we forgot about free agency. Kyle Tucker and Vladdy Guerrero Jr. I'm going to offer, I'm actually gonna go get a pitcher. And Framber Valdez. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna send through date. Oh my God. Felix Bautista gets traded to the Dodgers from the Orioles. Look at the Orioles trading another one of their great players. Wow. Today is a day to offer contracts to free agents. Sure. No. What am I supposed to do to boost their... What am I supposed to do to boost their motivation? Guys, if anybody knows how to boost their motivation, tell me, because I need it. So I'm just gonna send to free agency too. Offer contract, please. Okay, 2 years. Please. Okay, please, 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 please. Oh my God, please. Okay, let's see. No way. The Orioles trade Felix Bautista to get Framber Valdez and Dylan Cease. Oh my God. Why is free agency locked? Why is free agency locked? Guys, wait, let me offer a contract for a second. Will I get Vladdy Jr.? I missed out on everybody else, but I get Vladdy Jr. Oh my God. Guys, we signed Michael King as well.